Food. You keep asking for more and more and more, but you've had so much food today.
To turn acceleration into exhilaration and motion into emotion. To take your limits to new horizons and find excitement at every
Eric
turn.
is upstairs.
The road is waiting, and with exceptional offers on select in-stock BMW models, it has never been more inviting. Bring home the ultimate driving experience during the BMW Invitational Sales Event on now.
No more. You've already had lots of food. You're the hungriest bird ever today.
You're like something from a nightmare.
No, there's something nightmares are from. Everything in our stable is written of the old world, courtesy of, you know him.
Are you going to be excited when your new cage gets here? You get a bigger cage. I know. I think you'll like it. There'll be a lot more room. You can climb up. It'll have a door. Oh, a nice stretch. Oh, a stretch. Oh, yeah. Is that a good stretch? Hello. What you doing? Where's Bella? No more. You've had lots of food. Eric is upstairs. He's with Shadow. Trevor is in his room. Bella and Colton are gone. What about Jackson? How come you don't say his name? Trevor's upstairs. You're gonna love your new cage. It even has a door at the top so you can go stand out on it. A few more days. Ooh. Ooh. And then hopefully I'll see you playing outside of your cage a lot more. You only seem to like to come out of your cage when it's up high and you can fly to the floor. Hmm? Who are you looking for? Come on, give us a kiss. Give Mama kisses. Aw, thank you, darling. I love that. Thank you. You're so sweet. You're the best bird ever. Yeah, I know. You're adorable.